Welcome to the world of metallic koi. First up, the Tosai Kikusui. The Tosai Kikusui is a doitsu fish, meaning it has no scales on its body.
Think of the Tosai Kikusui as a platinum fish with orange markings.
The skin of a good Tosai Kikusui should shine like a mirror. If it has scales, it is hariwake. If smooth, it is kikusui.
Look for a bright, metallic white base on the Tosai Kikusui.
The orange markings must have sharp edges, known as kiwa.
Avoid Tosai Kikusui with messy or speckled orange spots.
Check the zipper line of scales along the dorsal fin.
The zipper scales on the Tosai Kikusui must be neat and aligned. A smooth body shape is crucial for the scaleless Tosai Kikusui.
The orange, or he, should be vibrant, not pale. Use color food sparingly to keep the metallic white base pristine. Inspect the skin luster. It should glow. The Tosai Kikusui adds a splash of color to a metallic collection.
The skin base must be bright platinum white, not cream or yellow.
Blue light enhances the metallic sheen of the Tosai Kikusui.
The fins of the Tosai Kikusui should be clean and white.
Even without scales, the Tosai Kikusui is tough. And
every Tosai Kikusui has a unique, painted-on pattern.
Next, let's meet the peacock of the pond.
Introducing the Tosai Kujaku.
Kujaku means peacock in Japanese.
The Tosai Kujaku is famous for its matsuba, or pinecone netting. A black net pattern covers the metallic body of the Tosai Kujaku.
Crucial rule. The head of the Tosai Kujaku must be clean.
Avoid any black specks on the face of the Tosai Kujaku. Red or orange markings float above the black net.
On a Tosai Kujaku, the black netting might still be faint.
as the Tosai Kujaku grows, the netting will darken.
The contrast between red, white, and black is stunning.
A muddy gray head lowers the value of the Tosai Kujaku.
High luster is essential for a quality Tosai Kujaku.
The entire body of the Tosai Kujaku should glow with a bright platinum luster.
Kujaku are very visible in garden ponds.
The fins of the Tosai Kujaku often have metallic rays.
Choose a Tosai Kujaku with vibrant orange or red.
The pattern should be balanced on the Tosai Kujaku.
The netting should wrap around the body.
A high-quality Tosai Kujaku literally glows.
The Matsuba effect gives the Tosai Kujaku depth and texture.
Look for an active and hungry Tosai Kujaku.
A group of Kujaku looks like a moving painting.
Too much color food can ruin the clean head of the Tosai Kujaku.
Keep the water clean to keep the head clean.
Now, let's look at something pure and bright.
The Tosai. The Tosai Platinum Ogon.
Pure. Metallic. White. This is the Platinum Ogon.
The Tosai Platinum Ogon is the brightest fish in the pond. It reflects light like a swimming mirror.
Rule number 1. Brightness is everything.
Do not buy a dull or creamy Tosai Platinum Ogon.
At night, the Tosai Platinum Ogon looks like a ghost.
The head must be spotless and purely metallic.
Check the nose. It should be clean, not yellow.
Look for thick, white pectoral fins on the Tosai Platinum Ogon.
As adults, their fins can become huge and majestic.
A single Platinum Ogon makes the whole pond look brighter.
Solid color makes deformities easy to spot. Check carefully.
They are greedy eaters and grow very fast. The Platinum Ogon is often the largest fish in the pond.
The shimmer should be uniform from head to tail.
Scales should be perfectly aligned like chainmail.
The purity of the white is a sign of high quality.
Any yellow tint on the body is a flaw.
They look amazing next to the golden Yamabuki.
Speaking of gold, meet the Tosai Yamabuki Ogon.
The Yamabuki Ogon. The 24-karat gold of the aquarium.
Yamabuki means Japanese rose, a bright yellow flower.
This fish symbolizes wealth and fortune.
The yellow color must be consistent from head to tail.
Avoid Tosai Yamabuki Ogon with patchy color. Note: Tosai Yamabuki might look pale yellow. They darken with age. Yamabuki are prone to shimmy, small black spots. Avoid them.
The head should be clean and metallic gold.
Ideally, the fins should be yellow too, not white.
Many keepers believe the Yamabuki brings luck.
They are known for being friendly and calm.
The Yamabuki is often the first to tame.
Like the platinum, the Yamabuki grows to jumbo sizes.
Shine a light. The skin should reflect it strongly.
Gold against a black background is stunning.
Even the eyes should have a golden rim. The Yamabuki stands out in any crowd.
Do not confuse with orange. Yamabuki must be yellow. A pure metallic yellow body is rare and prized.
The tail tube should be thick and powerful.
A healthy appetite equals a healthy gold color.
These four metallic kings rule the pond.
Kikusui, Kujaku, Platinum, Yamabuki.
Do you prefer platinum or gold? Comment below.
Which metallic koi is your favorite?
A collection of living jewels.
Start your metallic collection today.
Bring some shine into your life.
Like, share and subscribe for more koi guides. Hit the bell to never miss a video.
This is the Aquatic Lie.
Happy koi keeping.